guys, it's Sarah Taylor. So welcome to my channel again, and I'm going to show you the colors I'm working with today. So I'm actually not sure if I'm going to use this, but this is what I did is I took Modern Masters Iridescent Gold and I mixed in some of this Little Piggy Harvest Gold, and it really just brought this up to this really, really beautiful iridescent color. So this mixes, and it's a little bit warmer, kind of like more like an Olympic gold or something, like it's a little darker, and then with the iridescent gold they mixed really well together. These are pearl paints. This is Charvin Indigo. Put a little Jenkins green and Payne's gray as well. This is a mix match color. It's got some Charvin, quinacridone magenta, and a little bit of violet, permanent violet from Amsterdam. And then this is a bloom paint that I'm going to probably use a little bit just for accent, and it's also my Charvin, that Charvin Indigo color. It's really pretty. This is a pink cloud over mixture, so it's got some DecoArt satin enamel in it. It's kind of an earthy pink color. White. So Modern Masters Iridescent Pearl mixed with Golden Fluid Titanium White. These are all mixed with, other than this one, these are all mixed with just Liquitex Pouring Medium, GAC 800, and Floetrol. And then I am going to be doing some pigments in this pearl painting. So this is ColourArt Payne's Gray. I put a little bit of Golden Fluid Payne's Gray in here just to richen it up a little bit more. And then I mixed these two together. So this I mixed in some of this ColourArt Peacock Feather to get this really beautiful dark green turquoise. And then this is ColourArt Indian Spice. This is their Bling It, and I have not used this yet. I did some testing with it, and it doesn't bleed the same way the primary elements do, but I'm going to see what it does. So, and then my base coat is this very light kind of violet gray, and I'll be going on to this 14 by 18 inch gallery wrapped Artist Loft canvas. All right, I'll see you in a minute. Hi, okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm doing this kind of melting pearls with pigment technique, and it's pearl base coat. So I'll put the link below to my base coat recipe and my video and everything like that. And I'm starting with that Modern Masters white. And I do mix the golden fluid into it just to make it more of a pure white color, because the iridescent's a bit, it doesn't have much pigment to it. So then I went with the gold, and then that's some of those pigment paints, the ColourArt pigment. And the ColourArt bleeds out into the base coat, and it makes for these really beautiful blending colors. And then the Charvin Indigo paint went on top of all of it. So I kind of sandwiched the pigments in between the different acrylics to give some definition, so it's not all blending and melting and kind of bleeding, whatever it's doing. I really do enjoy this. It's kind of reminiscent of some of my art from a few years ago. And yeah, I've been having a lot of fun with it. So I can't wait to go onto a larger canvas and keep experimenting. And it's, just kind of playing with the different effects and how the different paints work together. And yeah, thank you for being here. I appreciate your support just by being here. And below in the description box, there's some other great ways you can support me and my art. And my Patreon account's wonderful. There's an Amazon shop, and yeah, all of those things are wonderful. So thank you. Please follow me on Instagram if you don't already. And I did want to talk about the title. So I called this Beijing sort of in celebration of the 2022 Winter Olympics. I thought it was a very wintry painting, and just the passion that these people show in what they do and their level of athletic. And I just have a huge admiration for them. And I also have some passion for winter sports as well. I love to ski, and I was a figure skater when I was young. So yeah, that's where the title came from. And I hope you like it. Please subscribe if you like the work I'm creating so you can be notified when I put up a new video. And I hope you're enjoying your winter months, whether it's warm or cold, wherever you are. Just take really great care, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.